You're filming yourself. You always do this thing when you're filming yourself. You go. That's what you do.
What are you doing?
I'm making a tap handle.
Making a tap handle?
Yeah.
Yo, what up? DG Fab out here, about to make a tap handle.
Let's make a tap handle.
Tap handle.
What do you think on the old Shopsmith lathe? We got the centers marked on this bad boy. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the end here. We're gonna knock that in there. So it's got some grip. Maybe one more for good luck. What do you think? Is that gonna grip? Yep. All right. Come on over. All right, let's get this thing on here. Got the Shopsmith set up on the lathe right now. Let's just go like that. Contact. There we go. Skirt this out a little bit as much as I can. Get a little squeeze on there, you know what I mean? Ooh, yeah, that's nice.
A little squeeze.
Little squeeze. It's on there nice and good like. What do you think?
Ready.
All right, let's get this set up.
Safety first.
What? All right, here we go. Now that's key. You gotta tighten everything down real good. Let's plug this Johnny in. Turn a chart here, turn a speed chart up to 2-inch stock diameter. We're gonna be rounding with a C setting. You got C right there. Skirt. You're not supposed to turn this unless the thing's on. C. When we're shaping, we're gonna bump it up to F, and then we're sanding, we're gonna bump it up to K. Let's see what happens. Let's turn it on. All right, slow. Thing turned nice round like. Nice and rounded off. See that? All this is a 2x4 that I sawed in half down the middle because it's cheap. All right.
What's next?
All right, let's see. What kind of shape do we want to make?
I don't know.
See. What do we want to do? So let's make it like a traditional looking handle. Maybe once we make the lathe part, then we'll put like a little leather wrap custom thing on it or something. What do you think?
I like it.
All right, well, let's just get the shape. Here's what I think we're gonna do is I'm gonna have like a base on the bottom with maybe like just a couple little things here, little rings, and then it'll taper in and then back out, kind of like for the top, like where the handle is, and then once we get up to the top part, then we'll do another kind of like a cap on the top with a little how you doing on the top there. What do you think?
I like it.
All right, here we go. Taper down, back up, and this whole part will be the handle there. Okay, start that for now. Here we go. because it's like the handle, and then we'll wrap that with leather on the top.
Yeah, we should sand it down.
Let's sand it down. We're gonna bump it up to H. No, K. Woo! That was bumping. Woo! Let's start out a little 150. Huh? One more time.
320.
320. We're going to go to 320 now. Oh, so smooth. Look at that. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, buddy. Feel that. That's nice. All right. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and I want to take this off here. We don't want to keep the top part because the top's got the little doofer in there. But I do want it to be like pretty square at the top, so if we wanted to mount something in the top there, make it look cool, we could do that. So I'm actually going to go ahead and separate it just like this. Here we go. Now you just got to saw this little piece off. That's where the thing's going to go. Oh, so nice. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Just use a little orbital sander. I'm just gonna sand down the top of this thing, make it nice and smooth. Oh, there you go. Little tap handle. Pretty straightforward. Maybe we'll wrap something around the top, maybe a little leather, make it look cool, put a little some words or something on there. Maybe mount something on the top. I don't know what yet, but there you go. Making a tap handle on the Shopsmith lathe. Boom.
Boom.